Hello friends, welcome back to Chiranjit tutorial. My name is Chiranjit. In this tutorial video I am going to show you how to make pattern and how to use it. So let's start. I'll take the ellipse tool, just take a little bit around and make the stroke color black. Just bump up the stroke weight and make it center of the artboard. So just press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl F for paste in same place. So I am going to do this 190 and select this, just plus 200, Ctrl C, Ctrl F again to duplicate, plus 200, again Ctrl C, Ctrl F, plus 200. I am going to few more steps, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, plus 200, again Ctrl C, Ctrl F, plus 200. So that's it. So select all objects and go object, path, outline stroke, then go again object, compound path, make. After this we have to on the smart guides. On this option, smart guides, you can see there is a green line showing after on the smart guides. So just take it to the center and left side and top center, and then select both object and go to in the pathfinder, select intersect, then just copy it by press alt shift, just rotate it by hold shift, and then take it down to the bottom side and just rotate it with hold shift, then copy it to the downside by alt shift, I'm going to change this color and copy this one again, keep it here, just match it. Then I am going to delete these parts. Just select to both objects and choose this tool, shape builder. I am going to delete these parts. Just press alt and click, then just drag it to make the unit, make it one unit. So this is my pattern. Just copy it by hold alt shift and rotate it by hold shift, just match it, then copy it to the bottom side again and rotate it by hold shift. So this is my pattern, you can see, and I am going to add this in pattern. You have to go edit, object, edit, object pattern make, and press OK. You can change the pattern name. I'm going to change the pattern name. So I made the pattern. You can see this is added in swatches. I am going to show you how to use it. Just make the artboard a little bit bigger and take a rectangle. It will fill all entire the rectangle. Just click on this. So you can see this is like a fill color. You can use it in your design. You can make it bigger, smaller. It will fill to the entire object, and you can also fill it in polygon tool. Just take the polygon, just click on the patterning. So you can see this is filling in everywhere, and I am going to fill it in start tool. So you can see this is, you can use this. And you can change the color also of pattern. Just double click on the pattern and then select all these four. Just change the color. So you can see the pattern will change everywhere that you used. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you think this is useful for you, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment. Thank you.